Okay. When you want to make sure that your springs are operating properly, I know these aren't sprung, but that one seems very tight and this one seems very loose. Okay, now how you want to check it, either before you're putting in the new garage door opener or whatever, this is what you need to check to make sure the springs are set properly. Okay, you lift the door halfway up and it should stay there. If it goes down, it needs to be tightened. If it goes up, it needs to be loosened. So let's test it. Okay, that's halfway up. Okay. So it's very obvious that the springs are not tight enough. So I'm going to tighten these springs before. First thing I do is I put a pair of vice grips on the bar. Get my rods. Okay, get my rod and then loosen this. There's two of them. Okay, now you can let the rod rest right there. Now, what we're going to do is I'm only going to turn it 3 times, then check it. Not 3 full turns, 3 times of change. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Go ahead and tighten her up. Okay, now it's nice and secure. Take this off, and then we're going to test the door. Okay, let's check it now. And there you go. Okay, now the door stand up should be able to go up halfway, and then you know your tension on your springs is correct, and you're not going to overwork your garage door opener. So, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one. Okay, so that's how it should sit. Now that we know the spring tension is correct. Okay, and now I'm going to install the door opener. All right, let's get to it.